Greetings, grill tubers. Coyote Jack here. Welcome to another episode of Coyote Jack Smoke Pit. This is episode 10, and we are officially out of charcoal.
Dang.
Yep. So, I got a new bag of charcoal from our friends over at B&B Charcoal. Better burning charcoal. Thank you for sending this over, B&B Charcoal. Cannot wait to burn this baby up. It's gonna be amazing. Why are you eating that box?
Because I'm starving and this box smells like deliciousness.
Give me that. Oh, it's all gross and wet now.
My yummies.
It's from Rufus Teague. It's my favorite sauce, people.
I wouldn't know.
Anyway, we got a new box to open up, new charcoal to try out. Let's make some spare ribs. Okay, let's open this thing up. Where's my knife?
Where's their knife?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
What? The contest, dummy.
Oh yeah, the contest! Forseti Steel was giving away this 10-inch Damascus steel carving knife for free to you. All you guys had to do was follow us on Instagram, find that picture, like it, share it, and comment below all your friends. A lot of you guys did that. A lot of you guys didn't. But we picked a winner. It is Chase Mizell of Chaser's Barbecue. Come on down. Don't come on down. They're gonna send it to you. Forseti Steel is gonna send you your brand new, very own knife. Enjoy, my friend. I hope you like it. I cannot wait to see all the stuff you cook. Saw your Instagram. You got awesome stuff. Everybody follow him. Make sure you see what he does with his knife when he gets the knife. Okay, here we go.
Hey.
What?
What's a skeleton's favorite snack?
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Let's start the smokes. Now let's open this thing.
What's a skeleton's favorite snack?
No. Okay. What?
Spare ribs. You want me to play one of my new commercials?
No. Your commercials are weird and they're dumb and they make no sense and they have nothing to do with grilling.
Come on,
No.
Come on, knock.
Who's there? Commercial who?
Commercial. Play it.
Oh, son of a...
Char Griller.
Sorry. Was that meat in the pool? You put meat in the pool? Rufus Teague. I discovered Rufus Teague years ago. I've been using them ever since for my ribs. They are so wonderful to send me this beautiful box. Freaking stickers. Stickers for the fridge. Oh, it's amazing. That's so cool. Remember sticker swap, guys. If you send me a sticker, P.O. Box. I send you a sticker right back. Barbecue in a can. Little cozies. Rufus Teague made some sauce. Barbecue is gooder with Rufus, and a cold beer don't hurt, Rufus says. Bubble wrap. Ooh, okay, let's see. KC Gold, bold and smoky, sweet and tangy. Mustard. This is gonna be exciting. This is amazing. Rufus Teague liked his smoke. Smoke in a bottle. Rufus Teague made some sauce, whiskey maple. And then what's this? Oh snap! The whole kit and caboodle. Steak rub and meat rub and spicy meat rub and chicken rub and fish rub. Dude. Steak rub. Meat rub. Another meat rub. What's this one? Oh, this one's spicy. Chicken rub and fish rub. That's gonna be exciting. The whole team. We're gonna be brushing this sauce on our spare ribs with these new brushes that I just got. They are available at Amazon. They come with replacement silicone brushes. The link for anything I use is below, so you can buy anything you want, including those cool salt and pepper shakers I used last time. Let's kick the tires and light the fires. We're gonna be using our Competition Pro from our illustrious sponsors, Char Griller Grills, or as some of you like to call, Shangri-La. I've done some modifications to this thing. It comes with this temperature gauge. I've added 2 more on the bottom. So what happens is when the smoke goes up and you get a temperature here, sometimes the temperature is different right at the bottom where the meat rests. These are also available on Amazon, and I just drilled some holes, put those in. I also put these clamps in, and what this does is it keeps it sealed. So you just clamp it down, it presses down on the lid so no smoke escapes out of here. Another thing about the smoke escaping out of here, I added this gasket strip right here, which is also on Amazon. Another thing I did was I added a smokestack to this thing. So what it does is that the smoke fills the whole smoker. It has to get sucked in from the bottom to go up, so it doesn't go out immediately. You don't need to do any of this. The grill works perfectly as it is. These are just fun things that us barbecue nerds like to do. You know, when you like to work with gadgets and gizmos aplenty, who's its and what's its galore. Another thing I did is I added a basket to hold the charcoal in. You put the charcoal in so that it doesn't spread out, it doesn't fall around in there, it just kind of holds the heat in and the air travels through it. And then I also put some high heat caulking to seal every seam of the grill and everywhere there's a nut or bolt or screw to really make sure that no air, no smoke escapes. This little doohickey is available at chargriller.com. And it makes it very, very, very simple to clean the grill out. You just go in and scrape your ash. Get our char griller chimenea, tumbleweed fire starters, better burning charcoal. Look at that. Perfect every time. If you have ever opened a charcoal bag the way it's meant to be, it's gotta be magic. Photoshop. I don't know. That's every bag. I can't even open dog food. They got little bees on them. Remember to wash your hands. Get your glovesies out. Remember guys, if you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel. Spare ribs. First thing we gotta do is open it and remove the membrane. You remember that, don't you? Dry them up. Membrane is right in the corner here. Peel it. And we grab a paper towel because it's easier to grab. While we're trimming, you're gonna see there's a couple of little bones here that we don't want because they can be a little dangerous. And then there's all this fat that we don't need. This is all gonna render off, so it's fine. Got a little bit more fat here. There's a couple of more little flaps. Round this off. I'm following the shape of the ribs. Why buy a big rib and then trim the crap out of it? Because then you get to pick what size you want, you get to trim as much as you want, keep as much as you want, shape it how you want, and make it pretty the way you want it. You get to decide. If you buy one that looks like it has no fat and it's already been trimmed, then you still have to come home, you still have to trim it, clean it up, and then you end up with less. But this way you get to design your own shape and get to do what you want. Now, keep one hand dirty, one hand clean. Take your gloves off, and here we go. And we're just gonna rub it all on. Dump it right in. This is cherry flavor. Okay, put some wood chunks in. One in that corner. Make sure it's all even. Some water pans. And this pan goes inside here. Water pans. Now we're gonna let it warm up. Let's go back to the ribs. Sugar. Perfect little art. Shake it up. New glovesy. We're gonna sprinkle the bottom of the ribs first and then the top because that's the presentation side. The bottom, go all the way across. And a flip. Side again. And then really make sure it's in there. $250. Perfectly around all the way. Let's go. That is the hottest part because that's where the fire's coming out of, but the smoke will fill up over here. It'll match this side. Let's leave a little space. You remember the meat stick, don't you? We'll put this one on this side. See what happens. Close it up. Latch. Latch. Put some wood in there. The next wood chunks you're gonna put in, just store them right on top. On the hot plate here, it heats them up, and then when they go in, they are easier to ignite, especially if it's a cold day. Alrighty, so it's been an hour. I've loaded more wood in there twice. I kept it at around 275, between 250 to 300. 275, 300. We're gonna spray it down. We're gonna do a little bit of apple cider. Bourbon. A little bit more of bourbon. Shake it up. And let's go spray. Now you don't want to be opening this thing up all the time because the more you open it, the more time you're adding to the cook. I closed it, it's been sitting here for an hour, and now we're gonna open it up. Spray those down, now we close it up. Bring it to temp. Ooh, juicy. We're leaving the meat stick on this one. Bottom side first. This goes back in. So we make our notes. Keep your notes so you can go back and change stuff around and see what you like. Smoke 2 hours, spray at the first hour, spray at the second hour, take it out, put the whiskey maple on, wrap it, put it back in. Yeah. Here we go. All right, folks, that's it. That's the end. Thank you very much, Rufus Teague. Thank you for being part of the family, sending me some good stuff. And now it's time to eat. So, pardon me whilst I partake on some spare ribs.
Yep. You go ahead and eat that. You just be here by myself.
Rufus Teague makes it gooder.
Ah.
This is Coyote Jack, signing off.
And this is Chester Pepper, signing out. Hey. What's a favorite? Stupid!
What's a favorite?
Okay, ready?